Some people have 5 years of experience, while others have 1 year of experience 5 times in a row. These lines by DTM Ankur Yadav inspire me the most. It means if you are not trying different things, if you are not gaining different experience, it doesn't matter how much experience you have if you are doing the same things again and again. My dear friends, last year when I became the division director, my only focus was to give great experience to all the division members. And that's why I mainly focused on bringing people out of their club and help them to join different clubs. Because when they go out and when they interact with different people, when they go with different clubs, they will gain different experience. They will bring something new from that club to their clubs and in their learning as well. So this was the primary focus of mine. And as we completing this term 2023-2024, and I want to reiterate all the things that what we have learned. So first, 3 magic words were given by our district director DTM Suman Shakya. You might be wondering what are these 3 words. First, F is fundamentals. We all need to focus on fundamentals. Second is focus. You need to be focused where you are going, what your goals are in Toastmasters and in other lives as well. And third is having fun. Fun is very important. Whatever we do, we must have fun. Along with that, I want to add one more thing that I already described, that go out of your comfort zone. Go out of your club. Try different things. There was a son of a king. He was very pampered and having very comfortable life. But when he came out of his palace, his home, and had lot of struggles in his life, having bad phases, defeated a lot of powerful and bad people, then he became Maryada Purushottam Shri Ram. You see, श्री कृष्ण जी भी हमेशा ही मथुरा या वृंदावन में नहीं रहे. वो भी कुछ दिनों के बाद द्वारका गए और अपनी एक अलग नगरी बनाई. सेम विथ सिद्धार्थ गौतम बुद्ध. When he came out of his home, he became the great person. So if you want to learn something, if you want to get new experience, you have to come out of your club, come out of your home and come out of your comfort zone. So go beyond your club area and division and district. Explore new things, and that is the way you can have great experience, what I have described earlier. And at the end, I would like to thank all the people, members and leaders of Division J and district for supporting me in this journey. Today I have this role and tomorrow I will not having this role of Division J. But the connections, the bondings we made in last 1 year, that is going to be stay forever till the lifetime. And I request you all to learn and grow as much you can. Next year, Toastmaster Prakash will be serving you as Division J Director, and I request you all that you support him as well as you have supported, guided me. If I can be any kind of help or you need any kind of information or support, never hesitate to reach out to me. For your life, for your future, I wish you all the best. Love you all.